Hello, today I will introduce you to the update item connector. It is used to edit the attributes of an existing item or add a new item to the table if it doesn't already exist. In an update expression, you can use other operations like remove, add, or delete. It depends on your case. In this video, I will only focus on the set operation. As always at the beginning, I will mention my other episodes on DynamoDB connectors, where I describe the basic configuration. Here I will only talk about new things. The configuration looks like this. In the basic settings, we need to specify the connection to our account. In the general section, the first one is table name. In my case, it will be users. In key, we need to specify the primary key to our table. It will be the ID field in my table, which will be retrieved from URI params. The next two settings, return consume capacity and return item collection metrics, determine the detail of the return data on provision consumption and item collections metrics. For the basic demo, I will not use them. In return values, we can specify what will be returned in response. It could be all new, all old, updated new, updated all. I choose updated new. In the update expression through the phrase set and reference to attribute name and attribute value, we specify what is to be updated. In my case, the reference to attribute name are #p1 for name and #p2 for surname, while the attribute value :name is a string taken from the payload, the same for surname. Another setting is attribute updates and expecteds, which are legacy parameters, and it is recommended to use update expression and condition expression. Okay, time to test the operation. In body, I have data for a record that exists in my table. I want to update the data for this record. The ID is 1. The current value is Tom and Robinson. I want to update the name to Thomas. So I set here Thomas. After calling and refreshing data, I can see the new value. The additional section that remains is the condition, from which we can specify the rules that must be met to update the record. Conditional operator is a legacy parameter. Only in conditional expression we can add a condition. For example, I want to update only if the name column has a value string with the letter T. To implement this, I will use the begins with function. Use a reference to the name column and the string value T. My record with ID equal to has name with value Roger, so error should be returned. Now I want to update record with ID 2. Okay, I got error. And the value in table is the same. Okay, so I want to update record with ID equal 1. Here the name is Thomas, so begins from the T. And I want to update name to Tom. Correct response. I will refresh my table. And now the name is Tom. That's all about the update item connector. If you have any problems, refer to the Azure Web Service documentation. You will find the link in the description. Let me know if everything is clear. Thanks for watching. Bye.